Hello, everyone. I'm Yuki. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explore how to use the inspection tools in JEGA, Advanced to Review Cabinet Information. The main topics we'll cover include viewing exploded diagrams, checking edge banding information, inspecting hole and slot details, analyzing material usage, performing interference checks, conducting panel alignment checks. First, we need to enter the Order Review interface. At the top of this interface, you'll find a quick display function. Let's select the third option, Split Preview. Choose the space and confirm. In the pop-up window, you'll see an Explode option at the top. You can use this to explode the cabinet structure, making it easier to review. Here you can adjust the explosion ratio for the X, Y, or Z axes. On the right, there are view adjustment options such as front view, left view, and right view. To reset, simply click the Reset button at the top. In this window, you'll also find icons like a small ruler and an edge banding display. Clicking the edge banding display allows you to see the edge banding used for each cabinet. The ruler icon displays hole and slot information in exploded view mode. For example, you can check the dimensions of a back panel slot, a cutout size, or the diameter of a hole. Now, let's return to the quick display options and select Material Analysis. Clicking this will switch the cabinet display to a wireframe mode. If you need to toggle this mode elsewhere, you can use the option in the lower right corner or the shortcut key control +8. In the Material Analysis section, you can select different cabinets. Below, detailed information about the cabinet will be displayed, including panel details, edge banding, hardware, and hole/slot data. Clicking on any of these will quickly navigate to the corresponding part. Next, let's look at interference checking. For example, in this cabinet, when we run the interference check, it alerts us to an interference between a shelf and the adjacent side panel. Clicking on the error message will automatically pinpoint the issue. Let's correct the issue. After resolving it, rerun the check to ensure no further errors. Finally, let's examine the alignment check. This tool helps verify whether shelves are flush with other panels. Clicking on an item will highlight the relevant parts. For instance, if a fixed shelf and the left side panel are compared, a value of 1 indicates the shelf is recessed by 1 millimeter. A value of 0 means perfectly flush, while a negative value, for example, -1, means the shelf is protruding. To demonstrate, let's adjust the depth of this shelf to 503 millimeters. After refreshing the view, rerun the alignment check. Now, the value shows -1, confirming the shelf is protruding. That wraps up our overview of the inspection tools. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.